Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a little bit more detail on the update. On Dress to Impress. So, if you put on the wings, they actually now have 3 wings. That is so cool. You can make it super tiny, like a Cupid, bigger, default, small, and again, the 3 wings option is so cool. And that is how you can get these 3 wings on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you guys love this update as much as I did. Bye!